Ever wondered how to optimize HR costs while ensuring talent development? AIIBIS, the simulation-driven immersive learning tool, has the answer. It offers a unique, hands-on approach to understanding and optimizing the human resources of an organization. With 3 specifically tailored modules: employee survey, performance-based salary increment, and increasing high-potential employees, AIIBIS provides the keys to unlock the full potential of your workforce. It's not just about managing people, it's about fostering growth. AIIBIS is a hands-on approach to managing HR challenges. The employee survey module allows you to delve deep into the minds of your employees. By exploring the survey questions and the responses they've given, you can gain a keen understanding of their perspectives. This isn't just about data, it's about understanding the human element in your organization. You can slice and dice the information using built-in 2D queries, digging into the details that matter most to you. This module provides a valuable insight into your workforce, helping to shape your HR strategy. Performance-based increments are a key part of rewarding and retaining top talent. This is where the performance-based salary increment module comes into play. It all starts with the Increment Module, a powerful tool that allows you to engage in simulations, designing and implementing performance-based increment systems for your teams. Imagine having the ability to provide a structured approach to reward your high performers. By allotting more increment to higher-rated employees, you are not only acknowledging their hard work, but also motivating them to keep pushing their limits. But that's not all. This module is also about creating balance. It's about ensuring that while top performers are rewarded, those who are still finding their footing aren't left behind. It's about creating a culture where everyone has the chance to grow and excel. This module ensures your high performers are rewarded, fostering a culture of meritocracy. The HR Analytics module is your key to segmenting and understanding your workforce. It's like a high-resolution lens that brings clarity to the performance and potential of your teams. Here, your workforce is categorized into 4 intriguing groups: non-starters, dodgers, sprinters, and torchbearers. These are not just catchy names. They represent the performance and tenure of your employees. Torchbearers are your top performers, the stalwarts who've been with you through thick and thin. They are the ones you want to increase in number. But remember, increasing torchbearers means investing more in training, providing additional increments, and bearing higher retention costs. However, these investments can yield rich dividends in terms of improved productivity and revenue. It's a delicate balancing act, like walking a tightrope. But don't worry, the HR Analytics module equips you with insights to navigate this complex terrain. With the HR Analytics module, you can strategically develop your talent, boosting productivity and revenue. AIIBIS provides a comprehensive solution to manage your HR challenges. It's your hands-on tool for mastering HR cost management, smart budget allocation, performance-based incentives, and effective talent development strategies. With AIIBIS, you have the power to transform your HR strategies, optimizing costs and nurturing talent.